Custom room păile जोङो दिनै custom थांनोसै मा जायो custom roomआव सानैजोंनो बाबिसो दै 50 थाखानि
Yo, kuli bayam, beko bayam, bila si sumni be batam jirenga daseng sayo beni anga kokrajani sengra tazuji kaduga kama babung na sandeng babung na ngangi mukhang au naina ganang tigaya nai nang laya aina ang nai na muzang ka ado watsang handsome ka kazo bir nai dausen mani zen ko nai gong hora humba dau ka phalala nang zen ko parso na danaza manau kidit bana hua ang man jebla sen mana ang so man genang darai lai ang zong man son man ni batra man ni thakai man deng ba kuna la de are ang ko bong na khalam de godan jatra geyang na onai on because I go zabai nonga babu baido tayo sapre na gugun tije lang na dana za nang zengi hari ko rungu langa sine ka erin babu zengi zula ya beko na nai ba nu yuzarla tharla guga langa sine heavy wallet nonga ba khalam gan besir nang ko gauni noni seima nai lo lama mari khalam nang hagan dominate beko sista hasta la vista la de nang gudan lama lapin the u-turn discriminate ni da kalama ngi rhythm and poetry ko nongi kind nang ibari meaningless romantic gun soiti kon na haye ba kon na de kind nang dong brace line or higher la tot la rapper sir ko en kala man ko dis ang hor bay nang free over please ang kala you manufactured gusto bay dealer na ang ilema rikan mun fera kay fees 2030 ni friend reba ang ibis ang kala kay sweet salay giding aba ba kon hidang manangan isa sa zipta 74 the local vocal knocking at the door na te bring na nong apor daw ba yidaba ki ko nang pesa megon dazo zizeng gan bula zeng lo mawa ang kamani beyang izaiga beyang no beyang igami yare binu hangi hari ko bodar nang laban sandeng ba kau ni man si unting ang adong already lari lara dahal hungry God bless success zip like below the down kalam na go control always ready to roll feeling so fall adrenaline rush sayang zebla bunga seba rap is so all my rhymes so cold zini but synonyms venomous flow minimum so even better than platinum and gold across the whole night betana ngang ko YouTube au huna high resolution music career banani dasan judi gaya nang hapoke no rang ni solution but when I'm blessed bottles investigate and come to know that I'm the old AK. Alright, let me rhyme some.
berbeka hoga selalu
IJ, back in it like I do it with the utmost authenticity of someone's high speed. The bars with caliber, see me daily, but I'm done with the covers. Versatile in my verse and rhymes, trying to set an example that you can be what you want. Striving up to be the finest, on a messed up, killing the mindset, just keeping our people dumb. This is a class, so get to stand us up. We keep it real, plenty blows with plenty poses, still holding on to the old school. From the land up KOK, we finna make it gon' last. Surprised, but this the past, but the facts still retain. We on a fast lane, trying to make it to a child routine. Do what you feel to do what makes you feel true. This the way you roll when you wanna make it true. Took a different route, this a different rule. 5-9, murder with mine. Welcome to the start, beginning of something lost. Like the Jacuzzi's doing drive-bys in Japan. Cherry blossoms up, but it's smile down here. People only doing bottoms up, bottles down. All day home, kids influenced by the shit. And mama rappers now they want all that glow is cut off. God withdraws, so tell me what the family can do. Cause all they saw was what they want, but nobody saw them in different ways they can't fly. Hopefully I can make a plan, take him to the highest. Meet you go sign a nursery rhythm and poetry go joke. Higher balena they come in this line down and jack and choke. Bro, this is the arena. I feel like Jason Momoa trying to be the cheater. Welcome to the meta flow filled with metaphors. Son of Sadding on any hurry, they one of the greatest of all. So Zaga Zamba honey been job when they go. I when they go, Nancy go I know so much I said I since we honey been missing out. Yeah. Good I be lama ya, not him out to moose in the zebra size of a gossip, but good as you There ain't no staying quiet no more. I'm fed up with the negativity that people let loose. So I choose to screw all them people who don't fit in my shoes. I wanna make amends to all the flaws I had. So I picked the pen to spit the truth. Me and my crew trying to take it back to the old school. We don't do it for cool. You a fool if you think we do it for views. Hip hop is the voice of the hood, voice of the youth. All them untold truth, beef, hate and dispute gets a place to be viewed. Yeah, we want to be viewed cause what people lack is a view. Probably want us to be good with the books some lame shit, singing the same old tunes. Yeah, check this out. Classic beat, classic flow, that's classic bro, fantastic phone. I'm the phone. When I pick the mic, bitch you say no more. Lyrical skill and my rhythm and flow can only mean one thing: you don't mess with the CEO. I'm on that level these new school kids can go. I know you done a lot of songs and a lot of videos with them hoes in your Insta post, acting like you're Post Malone. I got a disease, I always keep it real, like this grease in my mouth and priest in my mind. I'm not pleasing you now, was never good with the crowd. I'm not begging you out, cause I vowed to never bow.